Yeah, good evening. Welcome to Computer Contact. We have C350 4matic here. That issue with the compressor. This is the compressor. This compressor knocked. You see the inside is very dark, it's very black. So we bought a replacement one for it, which is this. So you can see here, this is this, and this one is this. So this is the one we bought. We are going to fix this one, and then we are going to flush the system. I have my R22 here, flushing gas, and here is the replacement gas, 134A, and then we have the oil here. This is the oil, and then here is my gauge. We are going to gas it and then check the pressure of the system if it is okay. So now this one is working, while this one is stiff. So thank you guys. Yeah, so guys, we are going to flush this system. This system is very dirty. This is the filter, so I have to buy another one, which is this brand new. So and then here's our flushing gas, and we need to flush the system. Look at what is coming out inside. The inside is very dirty, see? So we need to flush it. We need to flush it. Everywhere is dirty, even the suction hose. See, it's very dirty. So we need to flush everything out. Look at the dirty. See? So I'm flushing it. Look at that. So welcome to Computer Contact. We worked on this Mercedes Benz. We changed the compressor and then we flushed all the system. So now we have coupled it back. So we want to fill the gas. So watch me as I do it. Thank you. So I will have to start the car now. So guys, the engine is running now, so I will on the AC and then I will pull it. 1348 shape. So I'm going to fill the gas now. There's my man. There's my man. So I will have to fill the gas. I will on the AC, I will on the AC button from inside the car. Now I have on the AC, so let's put the gas. You can see that bubbling. You can see this bubbling over there. You can see that. So filling the gas. There's my can. Filling the gas right now. So I'm still doing more. Just watch what I do. Yeah, watch what I do. So guys, welcome to Computer Contact. So now we are through with the gassing. We are through with gassing the system. See that deep. Wow. See? It's cooling. Look at the compressor. It's working. So after some time now it will cut to show that the thermostat is working and the AC system is cooling. Just Keep your eyes on the compressor. You'll see it will stop spinning. Keep your eyes on it. It will stop spinning. It stops very soon. You see, it has stopped. You see, that shows that the thermostat is working. It will peak in some seconds now. You see, that shows that the thermostat is working perfectly. And look at the dew. Wow, see that dew from the return hose. See, that's the discharge. Look at the dew. So you see water coming down from there as well. As you see, can you see the water? This is the dew. See, that shows that the AC is cooling. Wow. Ooh, oh my goodness. Wow. Whoosh. I wish I have thermometer. I would have fixed it for you guys to see how cool it is. It's very chilling. Very, very, very chilling. It's chilling. Wow. Let me check the rear vent if it is coming from the rear vent. Wow. Whoosh. It's cooling. So guys, after gassing the system, I see my gauge is on 30, which is okay. Can you see that? Which is very, very, very okay. So it's in 30 psi, which is okay. And then look at the dew. Can you see the dew? Look at the dew of the AC. Very cool. See? Can you see that? I'll finish washing it. Finish washing it.